Yes, we are here in Harare, where this is the dark side, where thieves are in for it. We are in Harare, the most dangerous parts of Harare, boys. Yes, so come here, let's explore together. Yes, we are here. It's the most dangerous place in Harare. Thieves are everywhere. People taking drugs. Yes. Yes. So let's walk. Check this out. Amazing, huh? I ran. There were thieves trying to steal from my pockets, man. That's why I ran off there. And you see, this place is so dangerous, guys. So dangerous. Yeah, yes. This is so dangerous, boys. Thieves, boys. Yeah, and you see, this is a dangerous place here in Harare. People are having drugs, sex out here in these trains, boys. People are having everything. Selling drugs here. No. I ran for my life there. There were thieves there. Thieves. Try to steal my phone, man. I ran, guys. I ran. I ran, guys. My name is Paddy Twice, Mr. Beast Zimbabwe. Hello, we are still walking in the most dangerous place, man, in Harare. Look at this maze. It will be full of thieves, man. They will catch you. They try to catch you and steal from you if you walk. If you walk by this side, man. Yes. Thieves, they will be there in the maze, man. This is the most dangerous area here, part of field here in Harare. In the middle of city center. Look besides me there. Thieves, 4 kids. Yeah, they will steal from you. Yes, you see. Oh, look at the. Yes. We are now entering Harare. Yes, as you can see, it is also, yes, the sun is very hot. It is also dangerous. This railway line, if you use this, you can be robbed and dead. And here is also dangerous again. Yes, this is the other side of Mbare. This is where the roundabout of Mbare, when you're entering town, this is where people having love affairs, in these sheds. If you have your loved one, you come here and enjoy. But thieves are there at night also. You see my break, people are having love affairs. I'm exploring, this is Mbare, Harare.